This video shows you how to use CodeBox for secure self-access to a property. If you're a prospective tenant, the first step is always to make sure that you're scheduled for a showing through Tenant Turner. Once you've provided your contact details and uploaded a picture of your photo ID, you'll be taken to a page where you can choose to either enter the property now, or you can schedule an appointment to see the rental at a later date and time. It's important to confirm your scheduled showing by clicking a confirm button in the email that you receive, or by texting back the confirmation code. Once you do, you'll be texted instructions to enter in the serial number found at the front of the code box once you get to the property. It's important that you only text the serial code and no additional text. Then you'll receive a secure one-time use code in response. Here you can see the whole process strung together. I've received instructions to enter the 8-digit serial code found on the front of the code box after I confirm my appointment. So I text that, and then I receive a secure one-time use code in response. I enter this code into the front of the code box. When I'm done, I click enter on the bottom right-hand corner, and then I press the door to release. I'm in!